Okay, I'm going to demonstrate what is the problem that I'm having with my Hyundai i30. For some reason, um, it this the ECU is taking a lot of time, sometimes up to a minute or even more to turn on or wake up. Um, After I have switched the keys, and at first the issue is that the car then has a crank no start situation. At the beginning, I mistakenly diagnosed the issue as a fuel pump problem. I thought that the fuel pump filter was clogged or something like that. I replaced that. It didn't fix the issue, of course. I also checked the fuel pump for leaks. It didn't leak. I then thought that it was an issue with the fuel pump relay, which I replaced. Didn't fix the issue. I also thought that it might be the ECU relay. Did that. Didn't fix the issue either. And I also replaced the breakers for the ECU that are under the hood. I think there are three or four ECU related breakers. I replaced those. The issue is the same, and well, at this point, I mean, I don't know what else to try. But let me demonstrate what happens. So if I turn on the keys, the engine light doesn't come on, and if I try to turn on the car, it will not. It will not. So I need to wait until that light comes on. And of course, when that light comes on, the fuel pumps comes on, and the car then starts right up. Yeah, let's see how long it takes to turn on. So far, I mean, I've been having this issue for about a month. So far, the problem, I mean, the light will always come on. I don't know if this is a progressive issue and it's going to get worse over time, but it does come on eventually, right? Things that I have checked the battery voltage. The battery voltage seems okay. I've also checked I've also checked the alternator voltage. The alternator voltage is okay as well. So I don't know. I don't know what's the problem. I also did a multimeter test for leaks, electric leaks or shorts, and I didn't find any. I mean, the only thing that was draining the battery was the radio. I tested that, the radio and the car alarm system. So I took the radio, disconnected the radio, and the leakage from the battery was nearly zero amps. So I think it probably means that there are no shorts draining the battery or causing other problems. I mean, at least that I can detect, right? So I don't know. I mean, if you have any suggestions of things that I should try, I don't have an immobilizer, as you can see. I don't have an immobilizer in my car. The light doesn't have the small key inside. I don't know if this is related to the multiple issues that people have been having with their immobilizers and the ignition coil. But anyway, I mean, I don't know. Well, thank you, and well, any suggestions are welcome.